Hello everyone, today we are comparing Huawei Watch Fit 5 and Fit 5 Pro. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Both two watches come with 518 water grade. Display features. Huawei Watch Fit 5 comes with 1.82 inches AMOLED display, and the Fit 5 Pro comes with 1.92 inches AMOLED display. Next, compare the battery features. Both watches come with up to 10 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Next, compare the sensor features. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe.